Today I'm going to attempt something different, which is going to tint these taillights. I want them to be a little bit darker to go with this whole dark theme around the S4. So first off, I need to get them off the car, prep them so that I can start with painting. Let's do that now. Our two-part tail lights from the S4 are off the car. Now time to prep them, then I can start with paint. They look quite clean. I'm happy with the condition. Now that all the tail lights are sanded down, I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum clear, crystal clear enamel, just to make sure that the gloss comes out. So let's hit them with this. Well, these came out really nice. I hope you can see how they look on the camera. I like how they look, the dark tinted smoked look. That's something that I was looking for, and it's looking really nice. I just need to get the other one ready and then put them on the car. But there's just one thing that I'm sure you can see. There's a bit of clear coat that ran a little bit here, and on this one as well, clear coat, a little bit too much of it. I'll explain why. For tinting, I went with Rust-Oleum lens tint spray. It has instructions on how to use it, but unfortunately my first attempt didn't go as planned, didn't go nicely at all. The taillights were really matte. They came out with a matte finish, which was really worried if maybe that's how the spray works, and I really got worried because I didn't know what to do. I thought it would just go straight and give that nice gloss finish, but it didn't. As a result, I had this lying around, Rust-Oleum crystal clear enamel. Then I had to throw this on top. That's why those three, they are quite nice and clear. Then the last one, there was a bit of an issue with it, but now I'm gonna throw in some of this clear and make it gloss finish as well. So let me finish off the last one, then afterwards I can just put them on the car and see how they look. Now let's start with the reinstallation process. orange peel or fish eyes or whatever you want to call it, so I'll have to buff these just to give it that nice gloss mirror finish. But for now, I'm just gonna install them and just to see how it looks. I'm quite interested to see the finished product. Okay, let's see. Not bad. As a first attempt, it's really not bad at all. Okay, but overall, it came out really nice. I'm happy. I really like how it is. Well, first attempt. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, but so far it's different. It changes the look on the car. It definitely changes it for the better. No, it came out really nice. I'm happy. It looks dark enough. Just need to turn on the lights now and see if I still have that nice clear reverse light and the indicator and all of that. But for now, yeah, I'm happy with how it looks. Oh, okay, look at the reflection. Oh, okay. You can actually see the lights in there. Interesting. Okay. It's not bad. It's actually not bad. Okay. Alright, let's do the other one. Then we'll test and see if everything works. There we go. We are done. Finally, all 4 tail lights. Well, 2 tail lights, 4 pieces are all done. They're all smoked. But for now, I'll just let them be. And I just need to test now to see how the light comes through, you know, with the smoked tail lights and all of that, and see if it actually is worth all the hassle and all the work. But other than that, yeah, that's what I was looking for. It came out really nice, to be honest. The silver and the black badges, dark tail lights, and dark diffuser or black diffuser. It really creates that contrast, especially at the back of the car. That's something that that really looks absolutely nice. Okay. Oh, okay. This looks nice. Okay, this is interesting. Okay. These are the DRLs, and already you can see they're quite clear. No, so this is looking good. This is looking good. Not too bad. Just need to do a few touch-ups. Make sure that it's sorted, but overall I'm happy with the results. This is good. Okay, now I'm happy with how it came out. Let's check the indicators. I cannot complain. The indicator is working, the hazards are on, you can see clearly what's going on in there. Oh, this is good. Yeah, no, I'm happy with how it came out. This is really brilliant. I didn't think that this would actually be this clear, but you can actually see everything. Why do I have a thing here? So I did not compromise anything. Okay, so we've got the hazards on, and then this is our reverse. and then the reverse is clear, and then we've got our brakes as well. No, this is awesome. This is good. Wow. Okay. Right. I think I'm a happy chap right now. This has been an interesting project, but overall it's done. Came out really well. Yeah, please guys, comment down below, let me know what you think. Is this the best spray or the best method of smoking tail lights? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, click on that bell to be notified as soon as a new video gets uploaded, and also please subscribe to the channel because there's tons and tons of content coming soon. With all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.